Morning, everyone. Thought I'll just jump on quickly, give you a quick financial market update, not just the crypto, but in general, all of it. So here we have the S&P 500. Pretty much, it looks pretty steep. This kind of looks unnatural, but it also looks, manipulated as well. So what I've been going on for about a month now is that a correction is needed, and it looks like it could be coming. Either it was through that new variant Omicron or whatever that the governments want to put out there. So as we can see on the Dow Jones index as well, kind of similar, kind of done a bit of a pullback. I wouldn't even be surprised if it kind of done like a head and shoulders and came back to about here, which looks like a good healthy retracement. And if you know your fibs, let's just say from here to here, that's probably be better on the weekly. So around the 58 too, which kind of looks pretty good to me. And then you go on the NASDAQ 100 index, similar, looks quite similar, need to pull back as well. This looks like a good area to pull back, or even if it breaks that level and comes back to here, which looks like a good EQ. Quick look into the bonds market. This kind of looks pretty good, hey. So you've got a ascending triangle or descending triangle, but looking for a squeeze to come into here and then pop out. And quickly over gold. I really like gold in the last few weeks. It was forming a descending triangle too, but it also created some higher lows, as we could see pop over here. So it could potentially go up to there and then kind of bust through there. But what I like more is silver. There's more, percentage gains in silver than there is in gold, being at 22 cents compared to 1,782. But mind you, I do like my gold bars. Then we have a look at the oil prices. Most of us know oil is, or petrol, gas, whatever you call it, is being pretty expensive at the moment. It did get up to about 84. All-time highs was around 100, I believe. Let's just say, although higher, 150. Let's just say that, but 100 back in 2014. So we'll go by the 2014. So, yep, oil's kind of had its already correction. For me personally, I wouldn't mind oil coming back down so I can, drive long distances a bit more. So yeah, but it looks like it's actually found its kind of retracement already, where there was a lot of buyers over here. So we'll wait and see for that. But more specifically on the crypto market. So let's have a look at that. So I like to start off with the DXY before looking into the crypto market. I've had this for a while now, for over a month now. I've been looking at this area. DXY is pretty much the dollar index, the value of the dollar. So I've been actually looking for it to go up here more and then big pullback, probably around to here. Hopefully I break that one, and then I kind of want the dollar to go back down. We look at the BTC dominance chart. This is a good chart to have a look at, so you know where the money is going in the crypto game. For example, if the money's up here, which means effectively that Bitcoin has the power in the market, being at 73%. But if the price is where we are right now at 40%, 40% of the total crypto market is made out of BTC at the moment, which makes BTC look weak. But we've got this here right now. We've been here before again. So if you know about alt season, personally, I don't believe in alt season. A lot of people do. But if we do break this mark, better watch out. Hey, better watch out. What I believe, if it does break this one, it's not because of out season. It's more specifically because of the metaverse, because of the NFTs, the gaming, that will make it go down like this if everyone's getting into that and getting out of Bitcoin. And then we have a look at BTC finally. So this kind of looks confusing. Okay, I'll delete some of this actually. Okay, so I've had this for over a month now. Pretty much how it is right now. So I was looking around this area to enter. I didn't enter at it, but it did break the daily trend line, but it came so close to my weekly, which personally for me, we are still in an uptrend at the moment. At the moment, I say at the moment, we had a big buyback on this daily that we just closed right now. So that's a, let's see how much it is. So that's the daily. So we've had a 22% yesterday on the daily until 11 a.m. today, with a buyback of, actually from here, with a buyback of 17%. So it came down 22, bought back up at 17%, which for me, it looks pretty powerful. And then this is the previous drop on the Friday, I believe it is, Friday night. So from these two candles, it's about a 27%. Not too bad, not like as harsh as over here, how we had, was it a 50% or something? Yeah, about a 50%. This was only a 22%, which is okay. So how are we going to play this? Weekly, still uptrend. Connect the dots. I like to just connect the dots. Let's chuck a fibs on there. Around the 61, 66 area. So nice matching up with that on the weekly. And then daily, we saw that. I'll actually leave this here, and then we go to the 4 hour. So 4 hour. So if you're a day trader, sometimes I like to day trade. Sometimes I just like to wait and see. You can also use this as a fibs. Personally, I wouldn't do it from here. I would do it from here. Go back down there, and then possibly around here. There's actually a few areas. So I'm actually looking for it to a few more buyouts, and then possibly come back down to here. It may come down to here, but yeah, so I would draw my thing like this, just above that pause, because it might come up to here and smash down, and then I'll do my trade setup just like this. So that's a 1.85. Personally, I wouldn't trade that. I don't like my 1.85s. I like my 2 minimum risk reward ratio. So I probably wouldn't be trading that. I'll probably be waiting for the market to kind of come down, like what I said over here, kind of fuddle around here for a little bit. May have a bit of a wick to wick everyone out over here, down to the 40, and then come back up. So for me, wait and see. Come Monday night, 11 p.m. I want to see what the US market, what the market makers are going to do. So yeah, hopefully everyone's enjoyed that quick market update, and hopefully everyone has a great week ahead of them.